Thanks for joining us for this episode of Cape Hillsborough with its unique volcanic rock formations, beautiful walks along the beach and kangaroos at sunrise, walks along the headland. You'll love it. From Bowen to Cape Hillsborough is about a 2-hour drive. However, if you're driving from Mackay, it's a little over 40 minutes. We've just arrived at Cape Hillsborough. It is so pretty here. We're not at the caravan park yet, but we've just come across a little park. So I thought I'd take you for a walk down. Have a look, check out the beach. Oh wow, colour of the water is amazing.
Proceed to the route.
Oh, it's all right. I've still got my GPS on. Well, we've got 2 nights here, so very excited to be here. Can't wait to explore more. But first, let me take you on a quick tour around Cape Hillsborough Nature Tourist Park where we stayed. After check-in, the first guests that we met were the kangaroos in the outdoor camp kitchen area. What a surprise! The outdoor area is really well set up with mini golf, an outdoor movie cinema, well-equipped camp kitchen with a billiard table. Is that a lizard I see under the table? Oh, it's a big one. The park is really well laid out, beautifully maintained. You get filtered ocean views and it's just a quick 1-minute walk down to the beach. They've got a great swimming pool here with sunshades, a double water slide. How much fun for the kids. Just go to their website and check it all out. Now here's an interesting fact. The volcanic rhyolite rock in this region was formed some 30 million years ago, and Cape Hillsborough is the youngest volcanic area in the whole of Australia. You really will need to get up a little early to see the kangaroos on the beach. They come in at sunrise and they feed on the sea pods that have been washed onto the shores. Now just after sunrise, they hop back off again and do whatever they do, as kangaroos do, for the rest of the day. I would have loved to have been just that little bit closer to these kangaroos showing off their boxing skills. Male kangaroos often fight to establish dominance or win a mate over. Fights consist mainly of balancing on their tails while trying to knock their opponents off their balance. The National Park is just raging with life. Just listen to the sounds coming out of it.
Seeing how awesome this place is. Hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of photos today.
Oh,
Probably the most photographed place we've been to.
it has.
Yeah.
It's amazing. So this is where we're going. You are here. And that's where we're going.
About 1.5 hours.
I think, yeah. A one-way track returning along the beach at low tide. 2.2 kilometres, about 1.5 hours.
We'll be
taking our time.
won't be coming back onto the beach.
No.
Tide's too high.
Well, we're only a bit of the way up, but check out the view.
This is the backside of Cape Hillsborough. The Cape's a fair way out off the coast.
It is. Yeah, it's time for water.
Yep, we have climbed pretty high in a short distance.
Yep.
We're at the top of the walk. The trail actually goes around the corner here and down through, zigzags its way all the way back down the mountain now to the beach. Tide's pretty high, so we can't access the caravan park from there, so we're going to have to go back the way we come. We decided it's too hot to walk all the way down and back up once more. But yeah, thought we'd give you a bit of a view from the top here. It's very picturesque. And the bay is just down in the forefront. We walked across there today, low tide. There was all sand. Now it's full of water. And here's my girl, resting up.
Great view. We're
Yeah.
loving this trip, aren't we?
Absolutely.
It's only a couple of nights that we're here for, but I tell you what, we have not stopped exploring from the very moment we got here. Have we, darling?
No, it's been picturesque. We're taking hundreds of photos.
Oh.
Literally.
Too many? I don't know. You be the judge. Can you ever take too many photos?
The sea's
Maybe.
always turquoise.
Yeah, it is.
The trees are beautiful. The beach is beautiful. The rocks are just stunning.
Mm-hmm.
It's been amazing.
Mm-hmm.
And so there's the human factor.
Yeah, I tell you what, this is right up here with all the places we've been to date. This is right up here. You've got to come here if you haven't been here. And I tell you what, even if you have been here, you've got to come back. I don't think you'd ever get tired of this destination. I really don't. Spectacular. How many times have I said that? No, you can't say spectacular too many times either.
Well, just back over the top. JJ's in front, leading the way. It's all downhill from here.
Yay!
You can see over the side, you drop away from the path. It's pretty steep. It goes down to these gullies and ravines. She's doing it easy today.
I am. Just taking my time.
Some grey gums. Surprised we haven't seen a koala or anything around this place.
Actually, we're the only ones we've seen.
The only ones with a sense of adventure today. And plenty of sweat to show for it.
I'm sure everyone wants to see that.
And my stripes.
Oh man, he just loves showing his sweat, hey?
Nothing a swim and a couple of cold beers won't fix
That's
shortly.
true.
That's next. Looking forward to the swim.
Oh, you're funny.
We'll just have a quick boat peep at the beach down here with the tide up. The cove that we were just looking down on is that one straight ahead over there in the distance, a little headland. See the tide's coming down a bit, but still can't get around there. It needs to be down a lot further. It's paradise, not a person on the beach. Just the Joneses. And Mrs. Jones still catching her breath in the breeze.
Thanks so much for joining us for this episode. Please send us a message and let us know what you loved most about Cape Hillsborough, and we'll look forward to seeing you on the next episode.